What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is 2 videos in 1 week. This is getting wild. Ty is helping me work on the FC right now. So yesterday I took the hatch off and painted everything. This thing is way too heavy and I misjudged it, and it was a pain to get off around the wing. But today we're finally going to throw our little VGs on that Ty designed and Josh printed. So we're gonna work with these guys and we'll see how they go. Already fuck it up?
Straight.
Alright, Ty, do you want to explain to the people what these things do?
Yeah, look at the YouTube video because actually it takes, well, in simplest terms, it creates a vortex down here which takes your turbulent air and starts it sooner. Usually it starts down here and it'll start it from up here. And what that causes is a lower pressure zone.
So it creates some low pressure zone down here to like make that work better?
It causes the separation zone between, I forgot the name of it, basically laminar flow and turbulent flow of the air happens sooner. Creates a bigger pressure zone down below, which helps draw more through underneath your wing, which in turn should theoretically cause more downforce. Well, it does, we just don't know if this design is going to work.
Cool.
It's effective as like airplane VGs and Formula 1 VGs.
So there you have it. We're doing stuff that we vaguely understand about, and it probably won't work.
I understand how it's going to work. I just don't know if the design's going to work.
It might not work. Hatch turned out nice?
I guess.
I think it turned out pretty good.
Pull it down, yeah, pull it down a little more.
Because you're trying to keep the same distance.
Yeah, I'm trying to keep it. It's got to be ½ inch. So, crease to there. You gotta bring it down there. Basically, like that middle of that piece of tape is like ½ inch.
How high are we? I think we'll be good, because I know like when this opens, attached tips in. Wonder if we're gonna hit anything.
We'll find out. Just snap them off, fuck it. Struggle bus here. I mean, it'll be dead perfect. These are probably gonna blow off first fucking lap on the red lane. So.
I knew soon they're gonna get that far. Also, we are back to iPhone camera because my G7X is dead, as always. But there you have it. The VGs are installed. We're going to find out if they work or not. We don't really know. Well, we know they're going to do something. How well it's going to do it, we don't really know. So we'll do some testing with some wool and whatnot over the back glass. Basically, we'll just tape a bunch of little yarn strings back here, and we can see how the flow, the airflow goes over the hatch and just see how it works. But that's kind of the idea, so we'll see. This was, again, a little $10 kind of idea that we're gonna see if it works or not, but we don't really know. So we'll do some testing. Let us know what you guys think of the VGs. They were 3D printed out of ABS. Josh did it at his house. He's got a dope little 3D printer. But again, thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye, y'all.
Tomorrow for sure, eventually.
What's up, guys? Welcome. Damn, it is kind of bright and I forgot my glasses. But what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I'm gonna be kind of squinty, which sucks, but actually I have sunglasses in the FC. Alright, what's up guys? I have sunglasses now. They're not great, but they're mirrored, so that's cool. So had some deliveries come in for the FC today, and I opened both of them without the camera just because I was excited, but we'll go ahead and talk about them. First things first, something came in this box that says fragile and glass, but it's neither of them. I'll talk about that for a little bit. So what's in that box is our bash bar from Street Faction Engineering out in Cali, and this thing's been an ordeal to get. I don't blame Street Faction for this. I ordered a bash bar for an FC from a shop out in Cali, and they were called Suspicious Garage. They've done a bunch of fab work for some people I know, relatively well known out there. They said I would have a bash bar by in 4 weeks. That's what their lead time stated. 4 weeks came around, no bash bar. Hit them up. They then proceeded to tell me that Street Faction makes all their orders, and we are at the mercy of Street Faction's lead times. So that was kind of retarded. I mean, I don't know how you can promise lead times when you don't make stuff, and then like tell people that bought things from you like, oh, you're shit out of luck, even though we told you you should have it. So they told me I should have it in 4 to 5 weeks. Talked to him, he ghosted me. I can't remember what this guy's name, fucking Efron, I think, Efron at Suspicious Garage. So he ghosted me, so I hit up the Street Faction team, talked to Thao, and they had no clue I had an order. They had no clue anything happened. So that was very, very frustrating. We're like, at this point, 6 weeks in to when I should have, like, when I ordered my bash bar. Finds out no one's done anything with it. So that was very frustrating. So I'm thankful for the people over at Street Faction that bumped my order up to the top and rushed me this bar as soon as they could. The sad part is it's not powder coated, so Street Faction offers free powder coating on all their stuff, on all their bash bars and things. However, they don't do it in-house, so they're, again, at the mercy of another shop's lead time, so it was going to take 4 weeks to get my bash bar powder coated. We didn't have that time, so they shipped it out to us raw. It looks really good. I'm just going to paint it here today. I just wanted to throw it on the car, make sure it fit, and just kind of check it out. But we're going to go ahead and prime this, and then we'll at least prime it so it doesn't get rusty since it is raw steel. So again, this wasn't Street Faction's issue. This was one of their dealers that screwed up, and now that dealer is no longer allowed to sell Street Faction. So there's that, and I didn't get any money back or anything for waiting, which kind of sucked, but I have a bash bar, and that's all that matters to me right now. So I ended up going with the bash bar just with a tow hook. We didn't do the jack point up front because, as many of you know, I have a big old splitter down here, and it'd be kind of pointless to have a hole in the splitter to jack the car up. So we're just stuck with this guy. But we got some primer. We'll pull this off, and we'll go ahead and start painting him. The other big deal comes from, I put it on Facebook for some of y'all that follow me on Facebook. I don't think it's been on Instagram yet either. But we have another present from Haltech. Not really a present. I technically paid for it, but Cars for the Cure and some other companies are helping me get this done. So thank you to you guys. Also, yeah, Cars for the Cure. They're coming on board as a sponsor for this. I've known Justin for a few years, and his family's been hit hard by cancer. And my family personally has been hit hard by cancer. My grandmother had breast cancer. She survived that, which I'm very thankful for. But we do have breast cancer that runs in our family, so that's this is a big deal to me. And what Justin and the guys over at Cars for the Cure do is basically just, they go to car shows, car meets, children's hospitals. They basically raise money for cancer research, and they just try to make kids happy and make people happy and share the love of cars while trying to do something good. So huge shout out to those guys over there. We'll get the FC to one of the events once it's good and ready and driving and all that stuff. But here's on to the surprise. Here it is. So we're going to be running a Racepak Street IQ3 dash. And if you know me, I basically love race cars, and I've wanted a digital dash for God knows how long. And since we could make it happen with the Haltech, figured we might as well just fire it off, because we had to do something for gauges, and I don't like the stock dash. So it's either this or the tablet, and let's face it, this is cooler, and there's shift lights. So really excited for that. We'll dive into that install. Probably not today, but we will soon. Let's go ahead and pull the bash bar off, and then we will get to painting. So I want to talk about the quality that the guys over at Street Faction put out. I mean, they did a killer job on this. All the welds look fantastic, and the fitment is really good. So shout out to these guys. If you need bash bars, go get them. I know a lot of my friends run their bash bars, and I'm excited to run this too. All right, so I give this thing a quick little wipe down, and we can spray some primer on it. I'm really excited. This thing looks awesome. They did a killer job. Hey guys, that's about it for this video. The rain started coming down as I laid down the first coat, and that's not good. So we just pulled the bash bar, stuck it over there on the porch, and we'll get to it another time. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know what y'all think of the VGs, the bash bar, the race pack, the issue getting the bash bar. Let me know y'all's thoughts. Let me know y'all's comments. Are you guys running bash bars? What dashes you guys are running with your standalone ECUs? Bye y'all. So I'm out here editing a video right now for you guys to watch, and I get a look at the FC, I get a pretty sky, and the M3's over there working. So I'll get finished up editing this, we'll upload it, and hopefully you guys will watch it soon. So stay tuned.